but look at that movement into the wood. Isn't that so cool? Hey you guys, I was already done with the work for today and I went took a shower and then the mailman brought this box. This is some wood I bought on an auction and I want to open it and talk to you a little bit where to buy your wood and what to look for. So without any further ado, let's open the box and see what I got. Now I do apologize, I have wet hair. Like I said, I just got out of the shower. So let's open this. To be honest, I can't even remember what I bought. I had another big order that came a few days ago and I didn't film that one. I wish I did because there's some beautiful pieces, like a huge slab of walnut and some ancient red wood. But I can't remember what I got here. So it's gonna be as big as a surprise for me as it is for you guys. All right, I remember this piece. I'm gonna bring you in closer so I can show you every single piece. So let's move the tripod. All right. Well, the first piece, it's a really highly figured piece of walnut. I believe this is claro walnut. Look at that, that is one side, this is the other. Let me spray with some mineral spirits here, just so you can see better what it looks like. No, I soaked it too much. Let me give it a wipe. But look at that piece. Isn't that really cool? It's not really big, but amazing figure. It is pretty thick, as straight, which means I can resaw it. And it does have some voids, which I'll be filling with some epoxy. But look how pretty that is. Super, super cool. Lots of movement, lots of grain figure there. So that is one. The next one, another really pretty piece. I'm also going to spritz this one with mineral spirits. Now this is some ancient redwood, and you can see that. Has a lot of figure. Really, really cool piece of wood. And of course it has live edge. Straight, nice piece. I think it's so pretty. I love this. All right, let's see the next one. The next one, it looks like it's book matched with the other one. Let's see. I probably don't need to soak it that much. All right, let's see here if these guys are book matched. I can't tell if it's book match or not, but look at that movement into the wood. Isn't that so cool? So I'm gonna show you this one too. So 2 pieces of ancient redwood. And then let's see. Oh, this one, it's pretty. More redwood. I made a charcuterie board with a redwood the other day and I posted to my website and it sold within an hour of posting it. So definitely really cool piece of wood. Has a lot of movement into the grain. Rich, nice color. So pretty. So that's that. And do I have more? There is one more piece. All right, these two must be book matched. Okay. These guys do look like they're bookmatched. And yes, they are. So let me show you. They're a little bit heavy and pretty chunky. Life edge. Look at that. Can you see that? That is so cool. I'm not sure what I'm going to make out of it yet, but it's going to be really, really cool. And that is all I got. Now let's talk a little bit about where you can get wood like this. Oh, this walnut is just so pretty. I cannot wait to play with this. Now, like I said, I purchased this wood on an auction, and I can't tell you exactly which auction for two reasons. Number one is because I'm being selfish. If I give you exactly my auction where I bought it from, well, next time they have an auction, I'll have to bid against 28,000 more people. So that means if I would have purchased this piece of wood for $100, next time I'll have to pay 1,000 because I'm bidding against all these people. So that's why I cannot give you the source where I bought it from. Now, another reason why I cannot tell you the source is because this auction place was shared to me by one of my subscribers. And well, it is not fair to that person if I go ahead and share this because he has to purchase the wood from the same auction as well. So then he will bid against all these other people, and that would just not be cool on my side. So where do you look for such a thing? Well, you can start with eBay. eBay has auctions on wood, all kinds of. There are all kinds of companies that sell there, private people, and so on. Now, please be careful because I spent thousands of dollars in wood purchased on eBay, Etsy, and online in general. And it was pretty much not what I thought it was going to be. Let's just say that. And a lot of the time, especially on eBay, I bought pieces that would say kiln dry or would say dry and ready to use. And then when they arrive, they are nowhere near to be dry. They're in the 20th percentile on, moisture. So that is one thing that I always struggle with purchasing online. Now, to give you an example, 2 days ago, I received these 3 pieces of olive wood. It's like charcuterie boards, really beautiful white pieces. And I bought a set of 3, and I bought these guys from Stony Creek Wood Supply. I wrote it here so I don't forget. And this is not my first time purchasing from them. This is my second time purchasing from them. The first time I ordered some charcuterie boards that were walnut. I got some ambrosia maple, and I got some olive wood. The walnut and the ambrosia maple was fairly dry. Moisture content was between 8 and 13%. But the olive wood was no way near what it should be. So I thought maybe it was a fluke, so I ordered again. That's when these boards came in, was just a few days ago. I double checked on the description that it says it's kiln dry, which it says it is. So I expected to have low moisture content, so let's check what we got. I'll have my trusted Orion moisture meter. And if I look in the booklet, olive wood, it's number 81. My moisture meter, it is calibrated. So then I will turn it on. I'm gonna go to the material type and I'll go to 81 because we know for olive wood we have to go to 81. Click the power button so it goes to 0. So now let's check the moisture on this wood. And I don't know if you can tell, but moisture is almost 20% and 20.5. And they advertise this on their website being kiln dry. Now, I don't know, but kiln dry probably should not be more than 8 to 9%. And this is 20. Like I said, this is the second time. This one, it's about 18.4. And this is the second time I purchased from them. I even reached out to them and I sent them an email and told them my situation. And of course, I have not heard back from them yet. But like I said, I only got this a few days ago, and then I emailed them right away, but I haven't heard back. So I guess what I'm trying to say is when you do find an auction with really good looking wood, don't just go ahead and spend a lot of money and get a lot of wood. Get one small piece, get something that is cheaper, and see if their wood really is dry, if it really looks like it should, the way it shows on the picture and so on. And if everything looks good, then maybe you can trust that source and buy some more. And it takes a while to gain trust and find a source that is reliable. So look on eBay, look on Etsy, look on Facebook groups. Once you start looking for that kind of stuff, I promise you things will keep popping. There will be like all kinds of lumber places and stuff showing up on your browser, and you just have to try it, and eventually you will find something good.